What?
Are you filming?
No. I'm trying to take a picture.
I have to go pee.
How bad?
Really, really bad. My stomach hurts. I'm gonna go over there.
No.
I'm gonna go over there.
No.
I drank too much miso soup. If this is the last time you see me, I have to go pee. My bladder's gonna explode.
Where's your phone?
Are you trying to film my unbuttoned pants?
Yeah. Don't leave me, I'm so scared. No, please! Don't leave me. I have to go, we have to go home.
It's alright.
No, we have to go.
If the person comes with the mask on, it's alright.
No, don't leave me. We have to go to the gas station. You would have gone pee already. Please.
I don't even know if I can drive.
No. Are you fucking kidding me? Don't leave me, it's in the dark. I'm gonna get raped.
No, you're not. This is a super...
What the fuck? Don't leave me, please don't leave me.
Are you still filming?
No, I don't even know if I'm filming correctly.
Let me see.
No.
Just take it off.
No.
I want to go pee.
Really?
I want to watch the film.
Wait, but don't leave me, okay?
I won't. I love you. I love you. Can you even see anything?
No. It's like pitch black. Oh.
Wait, can you see anything?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't leave me. We have to go home. We have to go home.
Let me film you too.